down there where that surfer is, folks, just going out through the waves, is where about 12 years ago now Ken Crew died. Would have been somewhere around 2001. Just in waist deep water. He was with a friend of mine. The friend survived, and a great big white pointer shark came into the white water, which is unusual for a white pointer to get into the white water. Normally there's a few white pointers on the beach, that's about it. Anyway, chopped him in half in front of his close friends and family. People were here having breakfast in the morning, watching this guy get chomped up. Just underneath that white water's a reef, just where the waves are breaking. It was a very cloudy morning, very overcast morning, and he paid the ultimate price for swimming in shark-infested waters in overcast conditions. I was actually driving past here myself that morning, going for a drive early on my way to work, and it was like a crime scene. Helicopters, ambulances, police cars, you name it, rescue squads, they were all here. What could they do? Nothing. People were having breakfast just here, sitting on the balcony, watching down there 50 metres away a guy get chomped. He lost his life. That was the beginning of the fatal shark attacks and the spate of shark attacks across our West Australian coastline. Yibbity yibbita to that one. Not often, folks, you sit down to your midweek morning breakfast, cup of coffee, read the paper, watch a guy down in front of you swimming get chopped up. From all reports, it was very gruesome. This lookout here was absolutely full of people. As the boats went out all day, deciding whether they should kill the shark or not, until of course it disappeared. That's all for now, folks.